It's counterintuitive. According to the Actually Real National Turkey Federation, 88% of Americans consume turkey on Thanksgiving. So, one would expect that the grocery stores would increase the price of turkey in the days leading up to Thanksgiving. After all, basic economics teaches us that a higher demand should lead to a higher price. Right? Well, not entirely. The stores selling Thanksgiving turkey aren't as economically inept as one might think, dropping the prices of turkey when its demand is the highest. This video, as well as the one I'm releasing this Thursday morning, are about the economics of the Thanksgiving turkey. It's actually a pretty smart business decision to drop the price of turkey for 3 reasons. While the demand of turkey in the days leading up to Thanksgiving is certainly the highest it ever is at any point of the year, the supply is abundant too. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, North American companies produce nearly 6 billion pounds of turkey every year. These 6 billion pounds of turkey that stores later buy mean that while there is an intense demand for turkey in the days leading up to Thanksgiving, there are also many stores selling turkeys. This high supply of turkey lowers the price per bird more than the seasonal Thanksgiving demand raises it. But there are 2 even more important reasons why turkey prices drop in the days leading up to Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is the most popular time of the year to buy and consume turkey. Stores know this, so Thanksgiving is also the time of the year when they stock up on inventory. It's expensive for a store to hold frozen turkey. They have to pay for the storage space, and since turkey is considered a poultry, the stores also have to keep them frozen to prevent them from spoiling. A spoiled turkey is unsellable, which is the worst thing for a grocery store to hold. There's not just the cost of holding the turkey that the store has to keep in mind. There is also the turkey's opportunity cost. I'll go into this in a lot more detail in Thursday's video, but an object's opportunity cost is the cost it takes to do one action over another. In this case, the opportunity of holding and selling a single turkey is the lost revenue from not selling a different item. Because of this, stores are incentivized to cycle through their inventory as quickly as possible. And how do stores offload the inventory quickly? By dropping the price. Which they're able to do and still maintain a profit because Thanksgiving turkey is often a loss leader. Which is the third and arguably biggest reason why stores kill their prices of turkey right before Thanksgiving. People spend an absolutely inordinate amount of money on food for Thanksgiving. My Thanksgiving dinner this year cost well over $100. Among other things, this $100 included mashed potatoes, beans for casseroles, pie, and apple cider. People generally don't want to split their shopping up over multiple grocery stores. And since the turkey is often the centerpiece of the Thanksgiving dinner, guess which item they'll try to get their savings with. Stores are able to drop the price of their turkey because they know that if they can get a customer to buy a turkey from them, then they'll also likely buy other things from the store while they're there. So, while the turkey may initially cause them to lose money, they're able to make it all back from other purchases. So, there you have it. Despite how counterintuitive it may initially seem, it actually makes a lot of sense for stores to discount their turkey in the days leading up to Thanksgiving. It helps them lower inventory costs, reduce waste, and helps them sell other items that can turn them a larger profit. Be sure to check out my next Thanksgiving themed video when it releases this Thursday.